Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to show you my 2018 Can Am Spyder. It is the F3S. Got a 1330 Rotax engine. I know what I think the 2015s probably came out with the same size engine. I know the original Spyders from like 08 and 09, I think they had like a 986, is that right? F3 comes in a few different colors. I chose this beautiful blue silver with the black top. They all have the black top. Color schemes would be like, instead of the blue it'd be red and silver with the black top. Storage capacity is just a little bit smaller than the original Spyder. The reason is they put the radiators up front. You can fit your helmet in there though. A couple raincoats, a purse for your wife. A few of the options I had put on this one, instead of the foot pegs I had the pads put down, which they automatically come on the F3 Limited, which is a touring model. The S is a sport model. You'll notice there is no gear shift, so this is the semi-automatic. You have to upshift it, it will downshift for you. Got this backrest put on for the wife. She loves it. It's adjustable. They got a few different styles of backrest. They have a few different styles of seats. This is the stock seat. You can get one that's called a Cannonball, a little cushier. You can also get a backrest for the driver's seat, removable. The driver's pads and brake pedal are adjustable. You have 5 different positions. They automatically come in position 3. If you move them forward or backward, the little rod down there has to be replaced for your brake pedal. It's your linkage. Cost you about 30 bucks. They go with the windshield. They got like 4 different things you can put on here. You can put an instrument cluster cowling on top. You can put a windshield. I think it's the Route 129 comes up so high. The Blue Ridge comes up a little higher, and then I forgot the last number. I apologize, but it's a really tall windshield. Another option I got on the Spyder is this really cool LED light bar. Super bright at night. Really illuminates the road right in front of you. LEDs on the fenders are stock. Also got the fog lights. If you don't have fog lights on them, there'll be a little blank right there. Up here on top you can see the button for the fog lights. This blank over here would be for a couple different accessories. One of them would be the heated hand grips, which will probably really come in handy here in Missouri in the fall and winter time. We don't seem to get a whole lot of snow here much anymore, but it'd be handy to have. It does get cold. Turn your key on, the lights come on automatically. When you start the motor, your headlights, and if your fog lights are activated, they'll come on as well. Got a lot of toys up here on the handlebars. Got some modes, settings. Well, the first thing you have to do is you'll notice the readout. Before operating, read safety card under left service panel. Then press the mode button. There's your safety card location. Right here. You just turn this little knob and this whole panel lifts up and out of there. Then you have to hit the eco button, which is also your mode button. Then it'll tell you the parking brake is on. You can start the machine with or without the parking brake on. Of course, just like on regular motorcycles, got to make sure this switch is in the run position. Has cruise control, start button, parking brake on or off, paddle shift. Your thumb is the shifting up, index finger will be shift down. When you hit the brake, it starts shifting down automatically for you. You start slowing down, it actually downshifts faster than you can react to downshift. Headlight controls, flip that up, it's bright. Middle position is on, low beam, toggle it down, activates the brights. Flashes, it just flashes the brights on and off, similar to like a car. 4 ways, blinks on the dash up there by the green in. Turn signals also flash by the green in, same thing as the 4 ways. If you make a right or left hand turn, your turn signals will deactivate automatically after you have completed your turn. It's a pretty nice feature. If you make a lane change, you have to deactivate them. We'll start it up and let you see the headlights. Listen to the motor a little bit. It's got a unique sound, I think. Can Am Spyder 2018, the sport model. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I can post more videos. I'm using my GoPro right now to make this video, and I plan on getting one of the helmet mounts so I can go down the road filming a little bit. I think it's got a pretty mean look to it. Wife says the front end looks like a lawnmower. I don't know, I think it looks pretty tough. Comes up Spyder. First turn it on. You got a temperature gauge there. That's for the ambient air temperature. You can change that from Fahrenheit to Celsius. You'll have a neutral light here, tells you neutral. You also have a gearing here, tells you if you're in neutral 1 through 6 or reverse. It has reverse. Push down, hold the reverse button down, and hit the negative button to downshift again into reverse. Trip B, you have an hour trip, how long you've been riding. You can reset that. You have a total hours, non-resettable, date, time, and your odometer. 436 miles. I have not played with the modes and the set buttons. I know you can change some of the settings, like I said, Fahrenheit to Celsius. think there's some other things you can change in there, but I'm happy the way it's set up. Fuel gauge on the right, 7.1 gallons. Temperature gauge on the left. Gas cap, take your key out. Opens up just like that. Pretty handy. It's a little tight getting it closed back up though, especially with one hand. You hear it click, pull your key out. Pretty easy. Cruise controls just like on a car. Switch it to the right to arm it. Push it down to set it. Your brake cancels it. You can turn it off, will cancel it, then you have to reset it. If you use your brake to cancel it, you just hit resume by pushing up to resume to whatever speed you had it set at. Hope you all like the bike. Hope you like the video. If you do, please by all means hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, because I want to post a lot of more videos on here about this Spyder. A lot of you guys out there who are already subscribers see me work on this big beast here. I'll do some more videos on that old girl. She's got some rust back on the back end, but that's why I bought the bike. Let the big truck sit for a while. Have some fun on a Can Am Spyder F3 Sport. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and hit that like button. You guys be safe. Have a great day.